Hello everybody and welcome to a new tutorial. Today I will show you how you can model in the fastest way possible a 3D Olympic barbell in Fusion 360 with all the details including the knurl. So without any other hesitation, let's get started. Before every single drawing, the units are very important, so in order to set them correctly, we'll go here to Document Settings and we will verify them. Today's drawing will be in millimeters, so everything is fine. Let's start through a new component, and we will give the name, why not, Olympic Barbell. And now, as you can see, this is our active component. Let's start through a cylinder. So we'll go here, cylinder, we will select this plan, and we will create a diameter of 28 millimeters. And after that, we will add the height of 1310 millimeters. And this one will be the middle part of our barbell. We'll go on this face, we will left click it, and then right click, create sketch. Or we can just select this face and go here and select create sketch. We'll construct here a new circle. So we'll go to the circle, or press the C letter, and we'll construct a circle of 75 millimeters. And after that, we can extrude. So finish sketch, extrude both surfaces, and extrude it with 30 millimeters. But here, instead of join, we'll go to new body. To be smoother, I'll go to the fillet, I will select those edges, and I will write 3. After that, I will do the same thing. I'll go here, new sketch, C letter for circle, and here I will write 50 millimeters. E letter for extrude, and we will extrude it with 415 millimeters. And again, new body. And now I will go to the fillet, I will select this edge, and I'll write 3 millimeters. And to have the same bodies in the other side as well, we need to create a new plan. So I will make the body number 2 invisible. I will go to the construct menu, midplane, and I will select those two surfaces. And automatically the program will create a plan in the middle. Okay, I can make it visible again. I'll go to the mirror feature. I will select bodies. I will select now those two objects. Mirror plane, this one it will be, and I'll press OK. And the rough shape of our barbell is done. After this, we need to create another plan. We will start through offset plane. We'll select this one, and in this direction, we will construct the first one at a distance of 60 millimeters. From it, we will create another one. Offset plane, I will select the last one, and we'll go in this direction with 150 millimeters. The next one, again, offset plane for the last one, it will be at a distance of 250 millimeters. After that, we need to construct a tangent plane on this one. To be even more visible, I'll go to the construction and I will make them invisible. I'll go now to tangent plane, I will select this one, and as you can see, it will construct a plane up here. But I need to be in this side or in the left side as well. 90 degrees, okay, and now I'll construct an offset plane again. And I will place it exactly in the middle. So if the diameter has 28, I'll write -14. And now I can make that one invisible, so plane number 5. And moreover, I need an axis too. So axis through cylinder, I'll select the same object. As you can see, it will automatically generate a new axis. Okay. When it comes to knurls, we need this plane, this axis, and the plane number 2 for the first one. I will show you right now the easiest method how you can do it. So we'll go to the Create tab, Coil. I will select this plane, okay, and this one automatically generate this middle point of this section. I will use it. So left click. Right now we need to have this diameter. So I'll write 28. And I'll go in the opposite direction with a distance of 120. So here I'll write -120 to be in this direction. 1 revolution, triangular internal, inside, and the section size will be 2. Of course, it will be a cut, so everything is fine. I'll press OK. Now I'll go to the mirror. I will select here feature instead of bodies for this time. I will select this coil. Mirror plane, it will be this one here, and I'll press OK. But now in order to multiply them, I will use the circular pattern feature. So I'll go here, pattern, circular pattern, features again, and I will select this coil feature and the mirror. Axis, it will be this one. Quantity 30, distribution full, OK. So now we must wait. This knurling process can take some time, but the results is worth it. Now let's focus on the next two. For this one, we'll need again the plan number 6 and number 3. I'll use the coil again. I'll write again 28. I'll go in this direction, of course with 1 revolution again, with 245 millimeters. Triangular internal, inside, 2 millimeters, and then I'll press OK. For design shortcuts, I'll press the S key and I'll write here mirror. Features, I will select the last coil. Mirror plane, this one it will be OK. And now S key again, circular pattern. We'll select the coil and the mirror. Axis, OK. Quantity 30 and OK. And now let's do the third one. So we need the plane number 4. S key, we'll write now coil. We'll select this plan. We'll select this point. We will write 28 millimeters. And we'll go in this direction. And we will write for this time at height 195 millimeters. Inside we'll write 2 and then press OK. We'll go now to mirror. We'll select this feature, the coil, mirror plane, this one, and after that, OK. Now we'll go to circular pattern. We'll select the last two. Axis, this one it will be again, 30, OK. Now we can close the plane number 6 and this axis. And look at that. It is exactly what we want. Especially this little gap here. And now, because everything must be symmetric, in order to create them again here, we will use, of course, the mirror feature. So we'll go again to mirror. We need the plane number 1, features, and now we must carefully select the last 6 operations. So basically, these are the operations that made these knurls visible. So mirror plane, this one, and now we can press OK. And now we can make the plane number 1 invisible. And look at that. Our 3D model is done. But for the final part, let's add some materials. So I'll press the A letter from appearance, and I'll write here the first one, coating black oxide. And for this part, we will use stainless steel polished. And our Olympic barbell is done. I hope this video helped you learn more about the program, and don't hesitate to collaborate with me. Any service is just a click away, and if you have questions, leave them in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and see you next time.